Hey, what's up YouTube? Latham Rusty Rags. Took a bunch of pistols to the range today, got some good footage. Started out with two 22 caliber guns, target guns. One was a high standard citation 1967 model. Also had a really nice Colt Woodsman match grade 22. It was about a 1961 to a 62 year make. Also shot a Smith & Wesson 45, the 1955 Target. Shot a newer model Smith & Wesson 9mm that I hadn't shot it in a while. I wanted to shoot it. Also did a little kick test. We put the Smith & Wesson Combat Magnum, it's 1966 model, against one of the brand new Rhinos 2011 that I got. So guys, you take a look and talk to you guys later. See you.
But I said, these guys,
Ready?
That wasn't cool. There's only 6 shots in this. Not the bad group at all for 21 yards. I'd hate to be in a combat with that.
This one area. This is the small, the wider area.
Dude, I like this one.
Look at that.
I like the way it feel and everything, man. It don't have a serious recoil. This? How much this run?
Cool, man. Good shooting.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks, man.
Okay, Latham's going to start out and he's going to shoot 2 357 hot loads out of an old 1967 Model 19 Combat Magnum, and then he's going to shoot the same 2 type of loads out of the latest Rhino, and then he's going to see which one recoils the least. All right. Good flame. Just 2. Try the Rhino. I only put 2 in there. You can still cock the hammer. Now you know the Rhino shoots out of the bottom cylinder, supposedly less recoil. What do you think?
I think this one.
had more recoil?
Yeah.
Supposed to.